Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today we are going to see my first harvest of the musk melon plant into my home garden, or you can say the grow bag garden. So today in this video, I am going to explain you in detail what are the points you should consider for picking or choosing the right melon to harvest so that it has developed a right taste and right flavor for your consumption. So to know everything in detail, please stay connected to the video till the end. Let's start this video. So friends, what you see over behind me is my musk melon plant, and here are the watermelon plant. I have put the video on the sowing of these melons and trellising of this melon. I have done the melon growing on the vertical trellis and watermelon growing on the bottom. Now you can see my vines are right up to the top, and I have also put the video on the pollinating these melons. Now after pollination, these melons are developed, and you can see the one of the melon is now ready for harvest. Now to know whether the melon is ready for picking or not, the first sign you should look for the color change. Here you can see this melon has developed a light yellow color, so we can consider this is about to ripe. Now here you can see the another melon which is still green in color, so we cannot harvest this melon at this stage. So the yellowing is the one sign we can follow. The second indication that whether the melon is ready or not for harvesting is that you should look out for the tendrils. The very next node, you can see the tendrils is drying up, and this drying of the tendril also indicate that this melon is ready for harvest, and this is the right stage we should harvest it. Now for harvesting, what we should do the harvest ensuring that the stem part also we cut and take it with the melon. That will ensure that our melon will keep in a good quality for the long time. Now after harvesting, we should keep this melon for at least for 48 hours to settle down, and this will make the melon more sweeter and more flavorful in the taste. So once we harvest the melon, we should keep it for the day or two and then start eating. Now harvesting is very simple. We should take a knife or the cutter and simply harvest the melon like this with the stick. So here we are harvesting this melon like this, and we should keep this melon in this condition for 48 hours. So this is how we can harvest all the melons from this patch and start our consumption. You can also grow such melons in your terrace garden or the urban garden and enjoy the melons all summer. Happy growing!